Good evening, everyone. I am Utsav Noshkar. Welcome to my channel where I mainly share about different SD roles and internship roles. Today, I am here to share about two different internship roles and SD roles. So, at first, I'll be talking about Quora Programming Challenge. So, like every year, Quora is also organizing is a Quora Programming Challenge on February 6th to February 7th, 2021. So there will be basically two divisions. Division 1 will be happened on February 6, 2021 from 14 p.m. to 18 p.m. UTC 0, which will be around 7:30 p.m. in our India, and Division 2 will be happened on February 7, 2021 from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. UTC 0, which will be around 5:30 a.m. in our India. So at first we'll be talking about some rules which you have to follow. So you may participate in one or both the divisions of the contest because the state of these two divisions will be different as per the Quora rules. And at first to register in this contest, you should have a Quora profile, and each division will carry six problems. Each will be having 100 marks, and in case of ties, the tie will be broken with the timestamp of the final submission of each participant. And as this is an individual competition, so in any case of plagiarism you will be simply disqualified. So for full contest rules, you will be finding the full contest rules here. I will be sharing the link in my video descriptions. So what are the prizes for this challenge? So the first place will get 2000 USD US dollar, and the second place will get 1000 USD, and as per them the fourth to 100 place will get 200 USD, and top 50 participant will get will get wear a t-shirt. And this challenge is for basically the 2021, 2022 and 2023 batches, and those who will perform well will get a chance to interview with the Quora team, which is basically mentioned here that participant who score well may also fast track to our interview process if they are interested in roles at Quora. So at first we will look at the salary range of the Quora. So here you will find that the internship role get, that is the software engineers internship roles, interns get basically 90k US dollars to 100k US dollars, and software engineers get, that is the for full time, 110k US dollars to 120k US dollars. So this is a great opportunity for all the interns and those who are finding the internship roles and the full time roles. So how to register? So to register you will be at first sign up with the Quora, and then after coming to this link, I will be sharing this link in my video description. So after opening this link you will be get this registration form, so where mainly you have to give your current location, current city, your school or college name, graduation year. LinkedIn profile is must, so before applying it will be great if you have a LinkedIn profile. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, just go and sign up with the LinkedIn, and you should have a resume in PDF format. And this is not necessary, but I will be suggesting you that you should upload it here. And after that you will be clicking this checkbox and register, and you will get the contest link just before the day of the division in which you will be performing. But if you register you will get both the division links before the time. So after that I'll be sharing my blog, so you can also find these details, all the details that you should, how you should prepare here in this link. I'll be sharing this link in my video description. So after that I will be talking about another company which is Informatica, which is mainly working on Hadoop. It is a service-based company, and it is also hiring for its internship roles and SD roles through hackathons, which is called INFathon. So it is basically a coding challenge, and you can look here why Informatica, like about the Informatica, then why to participate here, and the prizes are the top 10 finalist prizes are that first prize winner will get Apple iPhone 12 Pro, the second prize winner will get gaming laptop, and third prize winner will get GoPro Hero 8, and from 4th to 10th places will get Amazon gift vouchers. The amount is not mentioned here, but it will be mainly around 5k Amazon vouchers. So to register with INFathon, just you have to click on this link which I will be sharing with in my video description, and just you have to put your name and email address and you will get an email from them. So the it will be happening in two stages. The first stage is a coding which has the submission deadline is January 24th 2021, and the stage 2 will be a invite only competition. That is if you qualify from the stage 1, then only you get the stage 2 link. So after registration you will get email like this, where you will get the full interview content, like what are the languages is allowed in the coding challenges, like it is mentioned there: C, C++, Python 3, Python 2 and Java. These languages are allowed to code there in the contest, and tips and guides will be also shared with you in the email. And the browser will be the latest version of Chrome and Firefox as mentioned by them, and the link is as here. And one thing I forgot to mention, that the last date of registration in the Quora programming challenge is the February 5th 2021. So I'll be sharing all these links in my video description, so just go there and register with this if you are interested in the SD roles and the internship roles in Quora and Informatica. And for details, more update details related to the internship roles, SD roles, and software engineers roles, just hit the subscribe button in my channel. And if you like this video, just like, share, and comment. If you have any problem, I'll be there to helping you out. Thank you.